Christians believe that at that first Christmas, around 2000 years ago, the Creator God chose to walk with us and take part in our joys, sorrows, aspirations, and anxieties. My mind and heart go to the place where He chose to be born as a babe and where He was hailed as the Prince of Peace. That place is Bethlehem in Palestine, a place without peace today, where innocent lives are mercilessly being snuffed out in their thousands. Our Pope Francis has recently made yet another frantic appeal for a ceasefire in these words: please say no to weapons, yes to peace. This Christmas, let us pray for peace in the world, beginning with the Holy Land. And let us strive to be, in our personal lives, agents of hope, peace, and love, values for which Christ was born, lived, and died. I wish everyone a joyful Christmas and a new year full of divine blessings.